Hey, auction friends, this is Kenny at Powell Auction. We're in Robbins, Tennessee. We're going to have 2 cabins and a vacant lot. It's a great opportunity. They need a little bit of finishing, but it'd be great rentals, or if you just want to get out in the wild, it's going to be your chance right here. I'll walk you through. This is the second home. He should have the porch put on by sale time. He's still working on them. Got a big old storage building here out in the country. All right, let's go in and look around here. Walk right into the kitchen. Little living area. All this plumbing, look at that. Bath. I did see they got underground utilities here. I'm thinking it's wells for your water source. Another bath. Looks like 2 bedrooms up here. Two bedrooms upstairs. We'll go to the house number 2. So heading around house 2, he's almost got this entire side stained. Poured concrete foundation. He said it was reinforced with rebar. He's working on finishing the basement. Like I said, poured concrete foundation. Another hot water. Plex plumbing. There's the electrical. It's got every wire marked where it goes. Upstairs. One big main room here. Red oak floors. Look like they're an inch or more thick. He's about got the cabinets in. So there's 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath in this home here. So up here, he's not hung the doors yet. You can see the full bath there, bedroom, another bath. He's 90% done. Nice. Go to powellauction.com to register to bid. Our phone number is 865-938-3403.